Deepsspeaks in the building, people. Yes. You know when I say back to work, I'm back to work, yeah? Back to work. This one air, people. Like I said, check out the last recent ones, yeah? There's a few questions in some of the videos. Just drop them in the descriptions. I'm going to get onto them. Let me know how much videos you think I should drop each season, yeah? Just let me know how much you lot think I should drop. You lot know what I kind of been doing. But yeah, let me know. Let me go on to this brother right here. Boy, Stormzy. He's just very different, yeah? There's some man that's just in a league of their own, and he's definitely in a league of his own. He has opened up so much doors. Full stop. Like this guy, and you know what it was? It was the road presence, the confidence, the aura. That's just what took him all the way where he is. Like, and he still, when you hear his music today, obviously we've heard that American little flick off this. And that's what it is. That's what he does. That's what he's always done. And he's gone so far in life, yeah, with mainstream people, with government, but kept the same attitude. Kept the same attitude, the same confidence. Trust me, that's what I personally think. He's in a league of his own. When it comes lyrically and all of that, I don't even put him up against no one, because not as an artist, I don't know. Name me an artist that's done what he's done. You get me? Let's go on to this. Stormzy, Sounds of the Skeng. Big statement, 2 million 2 days ago. Anyway, need I say any more? I hope this comes out on the other side. That's all I'm saying. You know where this is coming, people. This is so polished. Right down there. So polished.
Easy. And it's like
that's an easy.
5 whole years on the circuit, every single year I murk it. I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Give me that. Cause if it's up a bitch ass nigga, I'ma make it look I'ma make it look perfect. Kai probably deserves it. See old school might just splurges. Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest, I go the furthest. And the nigga been the hardest. And I bun all my man might kill off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul on my friends, foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs are my different. Nigga I miss the same, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most but it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I never get moved up. Facts. We talking racks. We talking plaques. All stats. I rude boy, you do the maths. I live up in the south but I live in the sticks now. Really been about but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. Big for my boot but it's funny it fits now. The sauce gonna stick to my swag, it drips now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. Cause that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now. But man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul on my friends, foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs are my different. Nigga I miss the Skeng, spot the difference. Big man don't need no assistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Throws, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on point. Get your balls in your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this track. They're trying to figure out what is this track. Me and Flipper come and flip this track. My spit's big like miss this train. Little niggas can't hit this train. And I knew it was a banger when I ripped this train. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic points. Bigger in person, whipping excursion. My niggas whip this train. Don't part like President flips this train. Real niggas gonna dig this train. But man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul on my friends, foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs are my different. Nigga man miss the Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
Yeah. Big bomber clock Mike. Come on, man. He has He's definitely got the game in the headlock, man. Like I said, league of his own. You get me? Total league of his own. I'm telling you, man. It is so crazy. The way he just deals with the rhythms them on another level. Energy, confidence, power, like vocab, punches. The visuals on that. Boy, I can say that's definitely the best visuals I've seen this year. That is the best visuals I've seen this year. The effects, the way, the transition of them, how real they looked, how real everything looked, the realisticness. Oh my days. That is the best video. No video, I don't think man's leveling up with that video right there. Real talk. How is no one talking about the shots on that, the transitions, oh my days, how polished that thing was. Big up Stormzy. Flowy, doing his thing. Sick chorus, there with the verses as he does. Like, just pepper. It's mad on point. He's not lying. He's not lying. He's just talking his truth. Boy, you know, like Vossybot, what's that on? 54 million. You get what I'm saying? League of his own. Definitely league of his own. Always supporting from the ground level up. You get me? I see him supporting from the ground level up. Big him up with that scholarship thing. Just bringing niggas through. Like, you get me? Like, making them believe in themselves, and you know what I mean, being able to get to where you couldn't get because your parents and your family couldn't help you. Man has to respect that, man. Trust me, man has to respect that. Big up Stormzy. This one was crazy, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel just under there to the left, and make sure you keep it blessed. Peace.